The Galaxy J7 Plus has gone official in Thailand with a 13MP plus 5MP combo on its back, just like leaks in the past few days suggested. Mind you, that same phone could also be called the Galaxy C7, 2017, in your particular market. Joining the vanilla Galaxy J7, 2017, and the J7 Pro, the Galaxy J7 Plus comes with a 5.5-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display in an aluminum body. Unlike those two, however, the J7 Plus isn't powered by the in-house Exynos 7870 chip, but what appears to be the MediaTek Helio P20. The specs page doesn't name the SoC, but the 2.4 GHz frequency and previous leaks point in that direction. Additionally, the J7 Plus packs 4 GB of RAM, unlike its stablemates which only come with 3 GB. Storage is a reasonable 32 GB with a microSD slot to increase that number by up to 256 GB. Back to the camera, the 13MP sensor sits behind a bright f/1.7 aperture lens, while the 5MP unit is mated to an f/1.9 lens. The second camera captures depth data to provide a post-shot focusing capability as well as bokeh effects. On the front, there's a 16MP f/1.9 selfie shooter. One noticeable change compared to the J7 Pro and J7, 2017, and it's a downgrade, is in battery capacity. The spec sheet of the J7 Plus reads 3,000 mAh, while the other two boast 3,600 mAh. And since the physical dimensions of the three phones are virtually identical, it has to be the dual camera to blame for the smaller power pack. Priorities. Other miscellaneous bits worth noting include a fingerprint sensor in the home button, an always-on display, and the Bixby Home app. The Galaxy J7 Plus is now on pre-order in Thailand for THB 12,900, around $390, and the pre-order period ends on September 17, after which point the handset will presumably go on sale. Availability on other markets remains to be detailed. Don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching.